How to link Rainbow Six Siege accounts for cross progression. Now, this is very easy and very straightforward. All you have to do is to link and manage one single account. Just go into the account.ubisoft.com and make sure that you're logged in into your Ubisoft account. From here, all you have to do is to hit on your current username and then go into the account information tab. And then from here, just simply scroll down until you find link accounts. Now, you will be getting a lot of cross platforms that here like Discord, Facebook, Xbox, PlayStation Network, and so on and so forth. Just simply choose whatever platform you would like to connect your Rainbow Six Siege account to. Let's say, for example, you would like it to connect via PlayStation Network or PSN. Just simply click on link, and you will be given out another window for you to be able to click on a certain type of link so that you will be redirected to log in into your PSN account. Same goes with different platforms available from here. And that is how you link Rainbow Six Siege accounts for cross progression.